Morning, Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 4 English literature teacher, Miss Anila, and we have already started chapter 7, A Wonderful Musician. And today we are going to start page number 55. Now, what happened in the previous two pages? It happened that Orpheus took the ferry to go to the kingdom of the dead in a ferry with the boatmen, and after they reached the bank of the river of death, then Orpheus climbed out of the boat, and he stood at the gate of the dark kingdom, and where he saw that there was a fierce and dangerous dog. The dog was very big, like a horse, and it was having three heads, and all of the heads had a pair of red eyes and large number of yellow sharp teeth. Now, as soon as the dog saw Orpheus, the dog began to show its teeth to just to take a bite of Orpheus. But as Orpheus picked up his lyre and began to play the music was so soft and gentle that the dog couldn't do anything. And then Orpheus told that the dog was very nice, and Orpheus told it that will the dog allow him to go through the gate. And with shaking hands, the musician Orpheus opened the gate, and a twisting path led him to the palace of Pluto. And he has to walk so many miles to get to the palace of the god Pluto. Now, as Orpheus came there to the palace, the Pluto was sitting with his wife Persephone, and then Pluto asked Orpheus that what was he doing in the kingdom of the dead. Then Orpheus told that he hasn't come by mistake. He has come to find his wife Eurydice, and because a snake bit her, so she was dead, and that's why she is here. And and Orpheus is not able to live without his wife, and so he has come to pick his wife. Now, Pluto whispered in his both Pluto and his wife Persephone, they both discussed something, and then Persephone wanted her husband to grant Orpheus's wish that the wife of Orpheus, Eurydice, should be given life, but Pluto was not agreeing to this. So then Orpheus took up his lyre and began to play the lyre, and he sang a song about love for Eurydice, and he also discussed about the cruel death of his wife Eurydice, and his lonely life song was so much impressing that tears came in Pluto's eyes, and then he agreed that there should be something done for Orpheus. So this much we have done, and next class I would like you to go through page number 54, the whole page, and wherever you find these these things for reference to context, this fairy is for the spirit of the dead, you should be prepared for the reference to the context test. Then again here page 54, if I do it, we shall be together in life, this is another reference to the context. Then on page number 55 you can find you're a nice old dog, this can be referenced to the context. You'll let me go through the gate, won't you? Again, this reference to the context. Then this can also come, what are you doing here, can be a reference to the context. Then there is no mistake, I came here to look for my wife, this can be also reference to the context. Turn your page number 56. Here there is none, so you can be prepared for the reference to the context from page 54, 55 and 56. This is your homework. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.